Today, we're making soft, juicy, and absolutely delicious vegan momos, packed with protein-packed tofu and a colorful mix of fresh veggies for maximum flavor. Let's get started by gathering all our ingredients together, ensuring everything is prepped and ready for a seamless cooking experience. For this recipe, you'll need dumpling wrappers, red onion, fresh garlic, shredded cabbage, and grated carrot, all key elements for the perfect filling. Don't forget scallions for freshness, extra firm tofu as the hearty base, soy sauce for umami depth, and a bit of salt and pepper to season everything just right. First, crumble your extra firm tofu by hand into a large bowl, creating nice irregular pieces, and set it aside for the next steps. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat, and saute your chopped red onion for 2 to 3 minutes until it softens and turns translucent. Next, add minced garlic and cook it briefly until fragrant, filling your kitchen with that irresistible, mouth-watering aroma. Then, add the shredded cabbage and grated carrot, cooking these vibrant vegetables while stirring until they soften slightly while retaining some texture. Now, stir in the crumbled tofu thoroughly and let everything heat through, allowing all the flavors to meld together perfectly. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool slightly for a few minutes before adding the final touches. Once cooled a bit, mix in your fresh scallions and a dash of soy sauce, folding them in gently for even distribution. Season generously with salt and pepper to your taste, giving it a final stir, and your delicious Momo filling is fully ready. Now for the fun part, shaping the momos. Place a generous spoonful of filling right in the center of each wrapper. Wet the edge lightly with a little water, then fold it into a half-moon shape and press firmly to seal the edges tightly. You can also pleat the edges carefully to create that classic, beautiful Momo look straight from the streets. Make sure everything is sealed well without any openings, so the filling stays securely inside during steaming. Line your steamer basket with parchment paper carefully to prevent the momos from sticking during cooking. Place the momos inside with a little space between each one, promoting even steam flow for uniform cooking. Steam them for 6 to 8 minutes until the wrapper becomes slightly translucent, signaling they are done. Once the wrapper turns slightly translucent and steamy, your momos are perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. Serve your vegan momos hot with spicy tomato chutney, soy sauce, or chili crisp for that extra flavorful kick. Each bite is a burst of fresh flavor, a perfect blend of crisp vegetables and savory tofu in every momo. If you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your feedback. Enjoy making these delicious vegan momos at home and savoring every single one.